So whatever I do right here, let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and then import out some content, and then let's say for example, if I were to convert it, whatever file I actually import, convert, and whatever I do, it's actually saved in logs. And if you want to go ahead and view those logs, you can go to the file menu right here and then choose show logs right here. So you'll be able to see the log in txt file, as you can see. So you can see a source file right here, and you can see the time of when this was done, as you can see right here. If I were to scroll down, you can see that this is what you have right here. You can see that I got this queue right here. This is the source file. This is the file that we just converted. So you can see that when it was started and when it was stopped. So if you want to go ahead and keep track of what happened when in Adobe Media Encoder, you can access the log file. If there's any errors, then you can actually go around onto errors as well. So if there's any errors that had happened while converting, then it'll be recorded right here. For example, here you can see that the error happened because I actually interrupted this out right here. It says the operation was interrupted by user. And that is how you can go ahead and access and view log details to view out whatever has happened in Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.